Oh hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah. And today I've got one that we found up in Canada, the wonderful land of Canada. This is Rooster chili chicken flavor. This is one that can be found at the real Canadian superstore up in Canada. Here it is, naked. And where's that line? Right there. Okay. So let's add liquid. Turn that off. And give it a nice, wonderful 3 minutes. And there it goes. So it's new. I am beat. Yesterday I walked like almost 8 miles, and today I've already done 4. Yeah. But it's good. But it's like, it's good, but it also sucks. It's like, I've gotten really into this whole thing, you know, doing the exercise and the eating right and being healthy and all that stuff, but it's kinda, I don't know, it's like we've got the opportunity on Friday, leave the kids with a relative, go out, and it's like the first thing on my mind is like, where's there a place that has like a low calorie menu? That sounds good. Gives you like the low calorie thing. It's just like, dude, you don't have to do that, you know. You can go party up once in a while. It's like there's a new place in Edmonds, I guess. They have it's like a kebab place, and they also have borscht, and it's like, that sounds really good. But then it's like, well, yeah, you know, you can go off everything once in a while. It's not like it's going to be a regular thing. But then how are you going to feel tomorrow? It's like, That's how they get you. It's like you start doing the healthy thing, and then you have something that's like way more calories and a lot more fat and this and that. And then the next day you feel like crap. It's like a scam. It's a total scam. I think what they should do is like on Star Trek, where they have like, you can eat food on the holodeck. I mean, wow, right? I want to go on the holodeck diet. You can just like go on the holodeck, go pretend you're in like Mozambique and walk like 10 miles in Mozambique, and then go to a French restaurant and just gorge yourself. And when you're done and you walk off the holodeck, it just disappears. And then you've eaten really nothing. Although you have done exercise. I don't know how that would feel. Think of filling your gut with holodeck food, like holographic food. It has feel and touch and weight and everything and taste. Yeah, I don't know how they would do taste. That might be a little difficult, but yeah. And then when you get done, just like you get out of there, and like 10 seconds later, that's all like, it's like lost cohesion. And then you don't have any more holodeck food in your tummy, and that's that. And then you're probably like really hungry, or like your gut probably, you probably end up with like the worst gas. Yeah, because it would disappear, but it's not like your gut would just go zoom. Okay, you'd have like this big empty area. Oh wow. Yeah, you'd be all gassy. Maybe that's why Jordy doesn't get any ladies. He's hanging out on the holodeck, eating holodeck food, and when he tries to have a nice little rendezvous, what happens? Gassy Jordy. Oh well. But then there's synthahol. But you don't get a buzz off of that, which is kind of like, I thought that was kind of a silly concept. How about they have synthahol, but that you get a buzz off of, you just don't get a hangover. That'd be wonderful. Yeah. Broth. Nice. I gotta say, I am absolutely impressed with these Rooster brand ones from up there. They're really freaking good. Yep, I'm going directly in today. I know it's not my normal thing to do, but it's just kind of how I'm doing it, yo. Mainly because the pot next to me, it's got enough water for another one, which I'll be doing. But it just seems like, I mean, it's like 80 degrees in here. It's so freaking hot already. We went from having pretty mellow weather, pretty cold actually, to now having like really, really warm. And I guess like later this week, officially it becomes... Ooh, we don't want you to fall over. It'll officially be spring. I thought it was officially spring already. I feel ripped off. But I guess it's not. I guess I was under the wrong impression. Alright. I'm going to throw an egg on here. I went this morning on the walk. Because it's like every day, I mean, I might be doing the healthy thing, but Mimi is the cookie princess. So she gets, we go to the bakery at the grocery store and she gets a cookie every day. Hopefully nobody loses their mind over that, but come on, she's a little girl, she's cute. She gets a cookie, damn it. But yeah, and so I'm not one of those kind of people that'll like go to the grocery store just to get a cookie and leave. I'm just like, I'm gonna buy something. I mean, that's just kind of scuzzy not to, right? Am I like way overthinking things? Should I just not buy something? I don't know. I think it's the correct thing to do. But anyways, so I got more eggs. And this is one of them. I found this actually was one that was done in one of the egglets. And those are the little things with the red lids you're always seeing me pull eggs out of magically. But that one, it's like the lid fell onto the like it flipped out of the top rack, fell underneath, and then hit the little heating element. So it fills up with liquid now, so I gotta get more egglets. Eventually there will be no more egglets, and that would be a sad day, I think. I really like those things. Anyways, oh, here. My favorite. I really like this stuff. I've always liked Cholula, but this is like way better than regular Cholula. And if you disagree with me, you're just wrong. You know? It's alright. There you go. A little bit of Cholula on there. Anyways. Yeah, I'm just going to try to buzz through these. It's really helpful that it's... One moment. This thing's being a pain in the ass. Seems as today everything is being a pain in the ass. There. How are we there? Good. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day, damn it. Have a good one. Bye.